are running a business and still replying to your customers manually, then you are literally losing money every single day. What if I tell you you can automate your entire business on WhatsApp in just 10 minutes without writing a single line of code? Sounds powerful? Alright, so this is what exactly we are going to build today. So the tool I am using is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. With the help of this tool, you can design this type of flows, and this is not only the flows, these are the flows of the chatbot. In this single video, I'll explain you each and every step that how you can design this type of flows. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can design it, let me give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time by sending a simple hi message to my WhatsApp business account. Once I send the message, immediately you will see I have received one amazing welcome message from the bot, that is, hello, welcome to Bright Future Academy. Can I ask you a few quick details to guide you better, with two quick options named as yes continue and view courses. Here I am clicking on this yes continue button. See, it asked me for my first name, so I am sending it as test. After that, the last name as user. Then you will see it mentioned my name after hi, that is test user, exactly same that I have given, and message, that is, here are the popular courses, which one are you interested in? And once I open this list, it will provide me the types of courses as board exam preparation, NEET JEE coaching, or skill-based courses. Let's say I want to register for board exam preparation, so I am selecting this option. Then bot asks me for my city name, so I am sending it as an Indore. The next question is that which class are you currently in? So I am sending the class as 10th. Next, the bot is asking me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number too. And then you will see I have received one customized request received message from the bot that includes my name as a test user that I have shared while communicating with the bot, my interest that I have selected from the list as board exam preparation, and the message that is you will receive a call within the next 15 to 30 minutes, including one free demo class link too. So yes, this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today. But before we move ahead, I want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to design this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this chatbot step by step. At first, open a new tab and search Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will be landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps. Here you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. If you want to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate detailed video of it. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows feature. And then you will come in this page, that is Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. So see, this is the starting point of creating your flow, where at first you have to select the trigger event, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as automate your entire business on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Here I want you to know that in this tutorial, I am going to design a WhatsApp chatbot for educational institute or coaching centers, but whether you run a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize the same chatbot for that too. The logic will be the same. save. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. And on the right hand side, you will see two options. The one is active inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started by selecting the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. You can select anyone from it according to your preference. Here I am selecting my trigger event as keyword. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. Now as we are creating this flow with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box is hi. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it in the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here as hello. See, these are the most expected keyword the user will send to me. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message on behalf of my business, just like this. So for that, I am adding one text button from here and going to enter a message that I want to send to my user in this enter message box. As hello, welcome to Bright Future Academy. Here I have entered the business name as Bright Future Academy by my choice, but you can change it completely based on your own business. In this message, I've also write that, can I ask you a few quick details to guide you better? So for answering it, I am adding two quick buttons for my user. So for that, I am clicking on this plus add button and entering the button name in this field as yes continue. After that, I am selecting the button type as quick reply. Next, I will click on the save button, and the second quick button I am adding as view courses. Here I have added. After that, I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this text button. Now when my user will click on this yes continue button, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their first name. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button as ask a question. After that, I am entering the question in this enter message box as please share your first name. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as first name and the format as text. Now I am going to explain you what is this contact custom field and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the page. Here you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of businesses. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. In this tutorial, we want the contact list of class, city, first name, last name and contact number. So for that, I have already created some contact custom fields. See, this is the first name field, this is the last name field and the contact number. Lastly, the current class. Here I have added all the contact custom field. Now for making a new one, you have to click on this plus add more field button. After that, it will provide you one field name box where you have to enter the field name and also write the description in this field description box. After that, you just have to click on the save button, and this is how easily you can add the contact custom fields. Now we will go back to our flow. After setting up this question node, I am linking this yes continue circle to this. Next the format I have selected as text, as name should always in the format of text. After that, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many time your user will retry to give the reply of this question. In simple words, you have write the question in this field and the user will reply to your bot in the correct format that you will select from here, that is text. If the reply was in the correct format, then it is good, but if it is not, then you have to increase the number of attempts for your user, and make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For example, please enter the name in the correct format. So this is how it works. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am adding the next question for last name. The process of adding questions will be the same. Here I have added in this question box, I write the simple question as last name and the contact custom field as last name. Now when my user will share their full name with my bot, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to select the course they are interested in. So for that, I am clicking on this messages option and adding button as list button. Here I am doing the setup of this type of messages. Now Here you can see this list node is divided in 3 parts, name as header, body and footer. Here I'm not entering any header, so I'm leaving these blank, but you can give it if you want to. Next, I'm directly writing a message content in this enter body box as hi with $symbol first name, $symbol last name. Here are the popular courses. As you can see that I have used the $symbol before this first name and last name fields, because with the help of this symbol, the bot will reply to my users dynamically and personalized, completely based on the user input. Here in this question node, when the user will provide their first name, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field node first name, the bot will capture the user's provided response and mention their name in this place. This is same for the next contact custom fields also, and mention the username just like this, that hi test user. Exactly same that we have provided the first name and the last name. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is footer, where I am entering the footer text as which one are you interested in. Now I want to add list of types of courses, so for that I am clicking on this plus side section button and entering a section title as course types. After that, for adding the courses option, you have to click on this plus add items button. Here I am adding only 3 types of courses, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. See, the first one I gave as board exam preparation, next one is NEET JEE coaching, and the last one is skill based course. You can also enter description in this enter description boxes if you want to. After that, I am linking this question not circle to this list not. See, connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when my user will select the course type, then my bot will reply to them, but before that I am going to do the setup of custom field tags. So for that, I'm clicking on this actions option and adding button as set custom field. After that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as course type. Next, in this enter value box, I'm going to write this, that is board exam preparation, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this course type. That's why I am linking this to this. See, it is connected. Moving forward, I'm going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field nodes for both of these course types. See, here I have added, as you can see that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice, just like this. As soon as we have selected the board exam preparation from this list node, then it will automatically mention board exam preparation at the last message, completely personalized. After that, the next step is asking about the student city name. So for that, I'm again adding one ask a question button and entering a question as which city are you from. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as city and the format is any. Next, I am linking all these 3 contact custom field node circle to this question node. Now I'm adding 2 more questions in this flow. As which class are you currently in, and please share your contact number so we can connect faster. For this question node, I have selected the contact custom field as current class, and for this as contact number. The format I have selected as number. You can also enter minimum and maximum values in both of these boxes if you want to. Now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request received message to the user that dynamically includes their provided name and selected course type. So for that, I'm clicking on this messages option and adding button as text button. After that, at first I'm linking this to this and entering the last message in this enter message box as awesome with $symbol first name, last name. Your request is confirmed based on your interest with $symbol course type. Our expert will guide you personally. As I have already explained you about this $symbol, it is a contact custom field symbol. With the help of this, the bot will reply to the users completely based on their provided inputs. Here I have mentioned the demo link. That's why I have enabled this link preview toggle. You can disable it if you want to. Now the last button is view courses. If my users wants to view the courses, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will share them the types of courses that I am offering. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. Now I am going to enter the course related information in this enter message box. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, that is save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. So this is how easily you can design the flow inside Pabbly Chatflow. So this is the chatbot that works 24 24/7 for your business without you touching your phone. And not only this, if you want to store or create an instant contacts inside your CRM of the leads that you will receive from this bot, then we have also a solution for that too. You just have to add this API request node in between this question and text button and create an integration between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. Just like this, with the help of this automation, whenever a new leads comes through your WhatsApp account, then automatically one instant contact is going to be created inside your Salesforce account. I have already created a detailed video of this integration. If you want it, then you can comment automation in the description below. I will share the video link with all of you guys. So this is how simple it is. If you face some difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. It is exclusively for my viewers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.